Alaska is such a fun place when it comes to volcanoes, and I love it. While you have many obvious towering stratovolcanoes, I personally prefer the various volcanoes, both small and large, that are hard to spot or blend in so well to the landscape that they are hiding in plain sight. For example, due to being surrounded by numerous similar-looking mountains, no one realized the Hayes volcano existed until 1975. Or, take this example of the world's smallest volcano by area. While this might not look like a volcano, it indeed is one, consisting of two small Maar explosion craters that erupted near simultaneously around the year 1050 BCE. However, there is a third category of Alaskan volcanoes hiding in plain sight, such as the volcano, which is the subject of this video. That being shallow near coastal volcanoes which once erupted on an existing landmass when global sea levels were up to 125 meters or 410 feet lower than they are today. Yet, as the climate warmed and ice sheets melted away, these volcanoes became covered by seawater and thus hidden at fairly shallow depths. One of these volcanoes was only discovered in 2011, hiding in plain sight offshore of Alaska's highly glacially eroded and unpopulated Baker Island. Moving 22 miles or 35.4 kilometers to the west, we reach what has preliminarily been Addington Volcanic Field, named the Addington Volcanic Field. If we were to remove the water surface, you would easily see its most striking feature, a massive circular crater in the ground. This crater is known as a maar, a large crater measuring 4,000 feet long, 3,700 feet wide, and an impressive 953 feet deep. However, there are also other vents nearby, including two small volcanic cones and their associated lava flows. While we do not for sure know the age of these two cones, what we do know is the age of its large-scale central maar, which could easily fit an entire American football field inside it. That age comes out to 11,542 BCE. Because this didn't occur after the 9,700 BCE cutoff used to mark the beginning of the Holocene epoch, and the Addington Volcanic Field to the best of our current knowledge shows no signs of life at the present, it would be best to classify this volcano as not geologic setting active but instead dormant. Assuming that its two neighboring cones formed in earlier eruptions, I have to assume that the complex is monogenetic, meaning each vent only erupts once. But, why did a volcano form here in the panhandle of Alaska of all places? The area does contain other volcanoes, but with the exception of Mount Edgecumbe, none of these have seemingly erupted at anything but